So here I am at the last 5 stitches of row 18. So I'm going to work my crossed trebles here, and then I will explain the next part of the pattern to you so that you know what you'll be doing next. You'll find that this pattern is very much the same all the way through until you get to the very end, and then the cross stitches start to work a little closer as you go. But for this point in the pattern, row 18, this is what it looks like. Make sure that you check your stitch count. So there's 2 rows at the bottom, and then you had a double crochet row, a treble row, double crochet row, and so on. So it makes it easy to count as well. So you have 1, 2, and then you have a double crochet row and a treble. So that's 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. So it's a great way to also quickly and easily count the rows. Also, don't forget to use your shawl tracker as you go. I haven't ticked mine off yet, but we are here. You should have 14 stitches on your row by the end of row 18. So row 19, the pattern will ask you to repeat row 9. So let's do that, which is simply a row of double crochets. And we do that all the way along. Remember, the first chain 1 does not count. Oops, I'm in treble mode. The first chain 1 doesn't count. Only the chain 3 of the treble rows counts as a stitch. So we're repeating row 9 again on row 19. See, I've done it again. It's funny when you get into autopilot doing trebles, you just kind of want to go like this all the time. We're completing row 19, which is a repeat of row 9, just working double trebles all the way along to our last stitch, and then turn. So for row 19, just check that you still have a stitch count of 14 stitches. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14. And we do. Hurrah! Great point at which to check your work at the end of a section or just every few rows. Rows 20 to 27 are marked as a whole section between pink square brackets, shown here and here. You will repeat this whole section a total of 4 times. The only difference in this section is that you'll be working extra increases at the neck edge to form its curved shape. Continue working as you have with the treble rows, working to the last 5 stitches, working your cross trebles, turning over, working your double crochet row, and then complete the repeated rows ending on row 51. So I'll meet you at the end of row 51. Any questions so far, do please pop a comment below so I can assist you. Okay, good luck with your crocheting.